So hey guys, we're gonna do some weird sound effects for you guys. No, wait, I'll do one first. I'll show you an example.
You wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you've gone away.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed the show. Bye. And I hope you enjoyed the sound effects. And I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.